Okay, here we have the Big Quiet fan installed on the Big Quiet filter appliance. We have the noise meter located 1 meter away from the edge of the device machine. And there's the p14 fan under there, which I'm going to turn on later. So we can compare the noise that the Big Quiet filter appliance makes, moving 1,110 cubic feet per minute, compared with a single p14 fan. I just measured it with a new tachometer, this one. It is moving at 300 RPM. And let's just shut up for a minute and we can read the decibel meter. It seems to be slowly going down for some reason. I don't know why. I called it 38.2, I suppose. I wish it took an average that was a little bit longer. Okay, so 38.2 decibels at 1 meter, and that's with the background noise. So now we're going to turn it off. We're going to measure the background noise. .5, let's say the background noise is. You heard a door slam in the distance, and then it jumped by 0.3 decibels. Anyway, okay, so just making a note of the numbers here. 33.5, 8 point, what was it, 38.1? 38.2 probably. Okay, now we're going to fire up the p14 fan with 12 volts, regulated 12 volt power supply. Oh, where did the plug go? Here it is. Okay. And then we're going, wait a second, it has to be at 1 meter distance from the sensor, from the noise meter. So we're going to power it up. I don't think that leg in the way is going to make any difference. Oops, wait, we can't have the air blowing on the noise meter. That's going to affect the result. So let's turn the fan around. Plug it in. You can hardly hear it. You probably can't hear it in the video. Let's just start up and watch the meter. .8, I'd say. So it's very close, but the Big Quiet fan is slightly louder than a single p14 fan. That p14 fan moves about 50 cubic feet per minute across the same pressure of 4.5 pascals as the Big Quiet fan does. So the Big Quiet fan is moving about 22 times as much air with very slightly more noise, only slightly. About, what was it? About 2 decibels more. No, not even. .5 decibels more. So you can see just if I just talk, it jumps enormously. So that's how quiet it is.